Welcome to Nard Nisha.
Okay, so we're back again with another DIY video. Our last video did really good. Y'all seem to really like it, so we're gonna come back to you with another DIY video. We have the window open today, so if you hear cars come by, we stay on the main street, so you may hear some.
Just you know, sound it out. Pay attention to us. We need your
undivided attention.
No, for real though. We about to get it cracking. Apparently y'all feel like I didn't help enough in the last videos before you. So I'm gonna try to be a little more involved and do a little less dancing. But y'all see these beautiful things right here?
I have two of them. But the canvas size is perfect. Like a canvas this size will really run you about $40. But we got them for $10 at my favorite store, Goodwill.
Yeah.
So yeah. So as beautiful as this is, it doesn't match the theme that we're going for our future home. So of course we gonna redo this. Now it's time for our DIY. Did you brush your teeth this morning?
Hey, one more time. Hold on. One more time. I did brush my teeth. I did.
Oh. Now it's time for our DIY.
Girl.
See, didn't he just say he wasn't gonna do a lot of dance?
I said I was gonna do a little bit less.
Anyway, okay. So our products for this entire piece literally came all from Walmart. You need a bag of these brushes. They are called 4 pieces. That's literally all it says. Y'all see this? There you go. Walmart. I think it's like 98 cents, seriously.
We have a 1/8 ounce thing of Mod Podge.
So you can get it in gloss or you can get it in matte. It just depends on the finish that you want. And got glitter. There we go. So this glitter is, he's not feeling the glitter, but he'll be okay. We have crystal extra fine glitter in crystal diamond. And then we have another extra fine glitter in sterling. Yeah.
Okay, we now have some apple barrel acrylic paint. So, shout out to Apple Barrel.
That paint was
on Walmart.
50 cents a piece.
So we have a Snow White, and we also have a white. We have a white and a Snow White. So I don't know which one is.
I didn't know they were different, but oh well.
Oh, I don't know, but.
And
Yeah,
the glitter I think was like $3. I'll do a price check and let y'all know in the description box how much this was, but it was under $4, I know. Okay. And for the base of our thing, we got a little bit of paint left over from the DIY dresser that we did. So we're gonna use this to do the base of both for our the base of both of
The canvas.
canvases. Yeah. So that's enough of us talking. We'll be back. Okay. So we have our canvas here, and we have the leftover paint from last time, and basically all we're gonna do is just completely cover this in all the gray. Okay, so this is what the first coat looked like. Y'all, he literally shut up. Trying to look like you did something. So this is what the first coat looks like after it's pretty much dry. We literally only let it dry for about 10 minutes. Chalk paint does not take long to dry at all. We're probably gonna need a second coat because once it starts to dry gray, it'll start showing the pink and stuff through it. But you only need a second coat for the bottom half because the top half are gonna be painted. But okay, so this painting that we're doing is inspired by Gallerie painting that literally will run you about $400. We don't want to pay that. Shout out to Gallerie, but we can.
Well, I want to be able to not care if I would pay that or not.
Right, but we ain't got there
yet.
We ain't got there yet.
Yeah, we ain't there.
So we're gonna create our own. So the top half of this is gonna be in white, and it's gonna be kind of hard to explain like what we're doing, so just kind of keep up with the process.
No, give me a brush because I don't want you or them to be saying that I ain't helping you right now.
Be careful right now. Real be careful. I see those strokes. Hey, stand on your side! Because I got the plan to do. I ain't doing that. Where you walking from? Yeah.
Now, how do you expect me to do more than you when you literally got 2 times as much as I got?
That was the last 2-inch brush. At least you gonna go wash the other one. I'm gonna give you a little paint to work with.
Babe, get over there.
You moving too slow.
Move.
Stop.
No, but you keep on doing my side. Teamwork is 50-50. You doing 75-25.
What's gonna work? You heard me? You didn't watch Wonder Pets as a child? You did not have a childhood if you didn't watch Wonder
I
Pets.
most definitely had childhood.
You gotta watch Wonder Pets then. That was the show. After you've gotten pretty much the half and half coat, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the crease of the brush right here, and you're gonna make light little like strokes, if that makes sense. And they're all gonna be like different lengths. Look at it, look at it. Back. The side, you going sideways. Do y'all see that? Look, just look at the camera. Look at the camera. Do you see this different than my side? And this side. What is that? What is that?
Look, man, I'm trying.
You gotta take the strokes. Don't go up that high.
No it.
He needs to stick to dancing. Just stick to dancing. You dance, I paint.
I can't win for losing, man.
Okay. So this is what it's looking like right now. And as you can see, half of it is white, half of the bottom half is gonna be gray. And we just made light strokes with our brush to kind of make it look like, almost like icicles, if that makes sense. Y'all get it. We're gonna let this dry again for about another 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be back. So, we're back. This top half is almost done drying, but while we're waiting on the white to dry, we're gonna go ahead and do the second coat of gray on this bottom half so it can actually have full coverage.
Which is slick actually don't look bad now.
It actually doesn't look too bad, but I want it to be like completely like non-blotchy.
Look, I ain't gonna take you no more. Stay on your side.
I'm helping you out.
No need.
Oh, man. You gonna leave me like that? Where you going?
You want a snack?
Yeah, what you gonna bring me? Now, as impatient as I am, this has to completely dry before we can do the next step, and we'll be back after that finishes. What are you throwing to me? Okay, we are back.
Yeah, it's been a little minute.
Yeah,
I missed y'all.
We did miss y'all. So sorry if the lighting is a little different. It's gotten a little darker since the last time because the acrylic paint, the white paint, it took a lot longer to dry than chalk paint did, which we expected. So we just went and did a couple other projects while this dried. And now we're back. So the next step are the things that we haven't used. This is glitter and the Mod Podge. And what we're gonna do next is take the Mod Podge and literally cover all the white in Mod Podge. The gray is gonna stay matte, and so we're not gonna put the Mod Podge on the gray. Be aware, Mod Podge smells terrible, like terrible. So have some type of ventilation in the room. Raise came up a little bit. So we're just gonna put a thin line going across the top, and then we're gonna take our brushes that we had from earlier and just literally swipe it down, being sure not to touch the gray. Okay, so we got a nice good coat going on, and what we're going to do now is take so I'm going to do the silver glitter first that we showed you, that's called Sterling, and I'm going to do that on the top, and then ooh, yeah, I'm still wasting stuff.
I'm gonna be mad too.
Oops, sorry mama. Alright, next, so the crystal glitter is going to go, silver glitter is going to go on top, and then I'm going to ombre it with the crystal glitter, and that's going to go on the second half. You have to break the seal on these first. And they're always so hard to break. You're gonna need like a knife or something. Okay, after 10 hours of trying to open this glitter, we finally got it open. And I'm gonna put it on the part that doesn't have the holes, like the part that puts out a lot. And I'm just going to generously go over top, over the top. Okay, so now that I've covered half of the white, I'm gonna just lightly tap the top of this so the silver glitter can kind of fall down to make an ombre effect before I put the crystal glitter on it.
Oh.
And since this is a canvas, you can kind of like tap just under it, and you can see like it's falling down in random places. Don't tap too much. Okay, see. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna take the white glitter and crystal diamond, and we're gonna open it on the big part again, and basically gonna fill in the white part so it doesn't have clear glitter on it. I mean, silver glitter on it. Yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can soak into the Mod Podge, and then we're gonna knock off the excess paint. Okay, so now we're going to sit this up and let it dump onto the bag very carefully. It's a glitter waterfall. And you're gonna tap to get off any excess.
Oh.
You got, okay, then you're gonna let this sit to the side and dry for literally like an hour. And we'll be back. Okay, y'all, we had so much fun making this video. I hope you guys like it. We're gonna have so many more DIYs coming up. Don't forget to like.
Hey, somebody asked us to do a, how we met type thing too.
Yeah, do y'all want to see that?
We had one on the way.
We have a how we met video coming up real soon. But further ado,
Hold on, let me put my flash on there.
woo, y'all, look at that. We got a little sit up. What the
Hold
world?
on, hold on, hold on.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Glistening.
Go up to it, eh?
Look at that, y'all. Which one's y'all favorite?
Vote left or right. I like this.
I like this one too.
Well, hold on, but on the video, this look like the love. Okay, number 1 with the borders, or number 2 without the borders.
You're right. All right. Okay, yeah, so this table that is sitting on is actually another project that I got from Goodwill. This table is only $3.99, and we're going to do a DIY of this one as well. These are some glass bottles that I got from Goodwill for like $2 a piece. And so they make really good decoration decor. And this little stool I actually got for $20 at Aldi. So Aldi, how y'all pronounce it? Aldi, grocery store. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So it's really nice. It actually goes along with this chair right here that I got for $35 from Aldi as well. So y'all, we just got so many good DIYs coming for y'all real soon. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you won't miss out. Anything else, babe?